Yo, what's good? Dito nga pala na Ukay Hints. Ayan. So, andito tayo sa Japan. So, sa Shinagawa tayo. So, yun. So, nabis ko mag-flea market ngayon. So, meron tayong nakitang flea market dito sa Tokyo. So, subukan natin mag-hunt dito. And tignan natin anong makukuha natin ngayon. So, let's go. Let's go. So, let's go. Here. Tara. Let's go. Ayun, dito na kami, malapit na kami sa flea market. So, yun na yung sign. Yun na, nakita ko na. So, let's go! Flea market tayo sa Tokyo. Let's get it! Sana makakuha tayo ng mga bangers daw. Experience lang naman. Ayun na. Wow. Pagod ako dun ah. Let's go. So, flea market. Ano dun na? Ay! Takbo! Yun, flea market doon. Man, let's go! May excited na ako, man. Okay na. So, gini dito na. Ito, sa parking lot. Pagod ako dun ah. Pagod ako dun. Dagina. Excited na ako. Tain lang yan. Puta. First time ko mag flea market dito sa Japan, man. Yeah, flea market. Let's go. Man. Let's get it. Tara. Okay na. Let's go. Na. Tara. Tayo sa hats, man. Nice. Tagay, hindi ko alam saan ako pupunta, man. Tangin na. Mahal. Doon na lang tayo sa mga mababa, diba? Tapos hunt din tayo mga hats. Yung talagang linya natin, man. Pero mga damit, let's go. Ang dami dito. Yung mga hats tingnan natin dito kung meron. Ito, pa 500 yan lang. Wala. yen. Ito, mga 1,000 yen na ko. Ang flip natin.
Nice seeing you.
What?
1,000 yen.
Yeah.
Just a 1,000 yen. The cap for 500 yen.
Okay,
And
got it.
another sport shirt of 500 yen.
Got it.
And then start the have the Ralph Lauren and the Gap and the Reebok over there.
Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So price and is different. In the buy more discount.
Got it.
Okay.
Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you. You have any hats though?
Take a picture. No, I don't care. No, do it. Do it.
Yeah.
Where from, guys?
Alright, do you guys have hats?
Yeah, you have what's that?
Hats.
Oh, I have some. Actually, I'm ready to sell, but I have no idea where's the cat. Hat. So give me 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, I'm doing the wholesale actually.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, where
that's
from?
fine. I'm from California though.
Oh, well, okay.
Alright, thank you. Yeah, it's my first time to go here though.
Oh,
so,
really?
yeah.
How many days left?
Huh?
How long have you been trying?
We've been here like since 23, right? March 23.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow,
So
okay.
it's our first time to go here to the market.
How
so,
do you know this in Fremont?
I'm doing flea markets in California.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Your pop-up store?
No, pop-up store, and I'll do reselling stuff like that. Yeah.
Okay, I'm sure. No. I mean, I'm doing the wholesale.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, got it. Thank you. Yeah, I'm in hats right now, so.
Oh, really?
yeah,
What kind of hat?
anything has like these hats though.
Actually, I have many hats in my warehouse. I don't know in here. So give me. Are you time to come next week? No.
Nah, because we're gonna flew back to Jackson.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah.
My God.
Yeah.
So we're going to plan to back to Japan. So
Yeah.
before we come, because I have many,
Yeah, I can follow you up. So. Jackson. Small Jackson. Small Jackson. Bagong-bago pa. Nasa racks pa lang sila. Sa racks pa lang sila. Yan mga damit. Ang dami mga damit yan. Parang 100 yen ata. So meron pa din. Excited ako boy. Okay lang yan man. Nakaka-excite ang ina. Talaga. So ulit pumunta dito. Go. Dito. Dami men. Ang dami taong pumunta dito. Fun fact. Itong bag na to yung para sa mga bata to, sa mga elementary. So ganito yung mga bag nila. Ayan. So mahal to nasa yung mga brand nyo nasa 12,000 yen, 14,000 yen ganun. So yeah. Fun fact. Daming tao man, tangina. Puro mga damit man. Doon pa, meron pa doon. Dito na tayo. Dito tayo sa looban. So hanap tayo mga hats muna, then the rest chill na lang tayo kung meron man. Kasi yun naman talaga ang punta natin dito sa mga hats. So collect yung mga dito rin. Ayan yung mga sapatos nandito rin. Mga bags. Ito. Oh, Shohoku. Yes, pwede natin to. Yep. Yeah, pwede natin to. Shohoku. Shirokawa. Magkano to?
What's that?
How much in this?
Right? Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got it from there.
Oh, got them from
Yeah.
2,000.
2,000?
Yeah.
Alright. So, how much everything?
Oh, everything? Oh, 3 and 2. How much? 4,000.
4,000?
About altogether, I'll be discount.
Alright.
4, 7, maybe 9. So, 4, oh, last by 8.
8?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh yeah. Thanks so much.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry, I don't have any baggage. Okay.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, yeah.
I got some bags.
How many days left? When need you back? Tomorrow?
No, back on Saturday.
Oh, Saturday? Next Saturday.
So, yun, tapos na tayo mag-flea market ngayon. At ito yung mga nakuha namin. So, meron tayong pantalon dito. Pang-formal lang na. 74. Yung ginawa ko to. PSG. Yan, tapos to. Itong soccer jersey, Adidas. Pang-formal lang natin yan. Tsaka ito. Fukawa, Shohoku. Yung nakuha natin ngayon dito sa flea market Tokyo. At ito, nakuha rin natin to. Sir, initial D. Initial D. So, malinis pa siya. Yan. Made in Thailand. Parang boot na lang ito. Nakuha natin to dito. Yun. So, yun. So, balik ulit kami dito bukas ng 9 AM. So, yeah. Panibagong vlog ulit bukas. Let's go.